And Lala, tell me one thing. Have you hosted any Indians before in your hostel? Have you had any Indian guests?
No,
Okay, so I'm the first Indian.
I think so, yes.
Good morning. So, the day has arrived when I go to Greenland finally. This is the domestic airport in Reykjavik. It was a walking distance, like 25 minutes from my hostel. So, I walked with both of my bags. And it's a really small airport. Like, I mistakenly entered from the exit. Nobody stopped me. There are like maybe 20 people inside. So, the flight is gonna be 3 hours to Ilulissat, and the time difference is 3 hours from here. So from India, I'll be like lagging now 8.5 hours. Um, yeah, that's it for now. I'm just going to check in and fly to Greenland.
Luleåsand is 2 hours and 45 minutes. The pilot in command is Argrimur Argrimsson.
So on board there was this travel book where you can share your stories of your travels, and I did as well. There is mine, and you can read if you can read Punjabi. And I also saw somebody wrote in Marathi. There was a yeah here. We are going to land in Ilulissat. It was a nice small flight, 2x2. Just 11 people on board. Really excited for Greenland. My hostel guys, they came to pick me up, and the bus is right there. So yeah, let's begin the Greenland adventure. Yeah. Oh yeah. So Matt gave me your number. So this is a hostel actually, but see, like we have got like separate rooms for everybody, and then there is this is the key. Now we are inside. This is the washroom, and then they have given me this small kitchen with the kettle and utensils. And yeah, this is the room. Then over here, this is the wardrobe, towels in it, TV, and with a beautiful view. These snowmobiles as well, and boats and cars. Oh, what a view! This hostel does not provide the breakfast, but they have given me some vouchers. I have to go to a restaurant down the street and have my breakfast there. And that restaurant is really close to the beach. Though I'll see the icebergs floating around. The weather, so it's like 9 a.m. and this is how it looks outside. Just a morning walk for breakfast, but I'm liking it. The houses here are so colorful. Blue, yellow, red. I thought it would be all white, but it's so many colors here. And it's like, snowfall almost all day. Like a really pleasant one. Had my breakfast. There was pork, whale meat, some cereals, milk. I had whale meat for the first time. Like, I'm not a food blogger, so I'm not gonna tell you about the texture and all that stuff. After having the breakfast, I came at the church, and there was some ceremony going on inside. But photography is like, I didn't know photography was not allowed, so I took out my camera, started shooting a video. And then I was, politely told that it's not allowed. Now I don't know what to do. Today is a Sunday, so the shops are closed. I have to find a screwdriver to fix up my drone. 'Cause if my drone is not fixed, then I'm gonna be missing out on so much of good content, and you guys also will be missing out on so much of good content. So I'll try to fix up my drone today. Today I leave for Umanak. So the journey is going to be really, really amazing. I'm going to be flying in a plane and then in a helicopter as well. So stay tuned.